So I guess, being as we've got this one, I've got no excuse for not putting that one together now. Nice clear instructions. Let's go for it, because all the bits have already been separated out. So it shouldn't take too long. Live dangerously, tip them all out on the table. Try not to knock them on the floor. Yeah, so say wheels are already done, so that's going to save us a bit of time. Right, wheels go on to those pieces. I think I can manage that. Oh, there are different sized wheels. Fat ones for the back, thin ones for the front. That was luck. I wasn't paying attention. They feel quite nice rubber. They might be useful on some of my radio control cars. Right, because I was thinking of putting this together and then donating it back to a charity shop. But it might be tempting to keep them just for the tyres. Okay, that bit looks like that bit. That bit looks like the other bit. No, that is that bit. Is that it? Yeah, that goes on there like that. That goes on. Does it? Get it the right way round, Grandad. Got the instructions in front of you. So that's got to be that bit. Okay. That bit's going to be. Is there two bits? Yes, there is two bits. Oh, that bit's already got that. But that's the bit for the front, which is this end. That goes on top of there. That way round. Okay. Thinner wheels are going to go at the front. Okay, fatter wheels going to go at the back. Okay. That piece go on there. Yep. What are we looking at? Oh, I think we're looking for stickers to go on there. That's what we're looking at there. Well, I don't know where they put those stickers. Oh, they are there. Looking in the wrong place. Yeah, so they put the stickers on. Okay. Turn it around that way. Is that what that's saying? 180 degrees. No idea what they're saying there. But that's clearly going on there like that. Okay. Now that piece looks like that piece is going to go on there. Yep. Green bit looks like. Oh. Move that up there. Right, that green bit. Oh, that green bit. Oh, those sort of slide under there. Yep. And that's going to go on there. Okay. That was 18. You can't see that. Let's move it up a bit. That one. That's what we just did. 19. Seat. Appears to go back there. That one back there. Okay. Which piece is that? That's this bit. Left-hand drive. Yeah, okay. That piece is going to go in there. Yep. What is that we're showing there? Oh, that's supposed to be the window, I think. Is that what we're showing there? Yeah, that should be on there. I'm not going to put it on, but it should be on there. Oh, I see, it's got number 3 on it. Number 3 there. Right, I'll leave that off for now. Other side. That piece. Okay. Right. That piece in there. Yep. This piece shows that going over there and on there. That piece over there and on there. That piece on top. And then this goes and sits down on there. Okay, that bit goes on there. Don't put that in quite right, that tucks in there first and then goes on there. That fits better like that. like that. And it can come up if we want it to, I suppose. I think that indicates you have the option of having it up if you want. Well, it's in there now. Then we've got these little bits. Wingers. That's going to be that one. Yep. And that's going to be that one. And that's it. Done. That was quick. How was that? Time 11 minutes. Right. I'll put them on my little display turntable. Put a bit of light on it. And away we go. Yeah. Okay, let's move the camera so we can see it. That'll do. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.